Hey everybody, it's Demetra, Sweet Savant, your personal chef, and I'm here with my friendly neighborhood Girl Scout, Marissa, and we are working on
the Brownie Snack Badge.
And this is step 1, which is jump into the world of snacks. So we're going to find out
what's in that snack.
That's right.
Woo!
What's in that snack? So, Marissa, why don't you take a look at the ingredients, and if you come across something that you don't know, please ask and we'll talk about it.
What's dextrose?
Dextrose, that's a good question. So dextrose is a sugar. Anytime you come across an ingredient that ends in ose, like glucose or sucrose, it is a form of sugar. So dextrose is sugar. What else you got?
What's in here? What's citric acid?
So citric acid is a natural preservative and also a flavoring agent. So anytime you taste like, say a gummy bear that has a very sour flavor to it, that flavor, that sourness comes from citric acid. What's next? I think she knows everything that's in that one. She can't find anything she doesn't know. And that is a Cliff Bar.
What's soy lecithin?
Oh, that's a good question. Hey Alexa, what is soy lecithin?
Here's what I found on reference.com. Soy lecithin is a fatty substance that is extracted from soybeans. It is a common food additive that helps oil and water mix, and also works as a lubricant, an anti-foaming agent, and a wetting agent. Soy lecithin is also sold as a choline supplement.
Okay.
Wow.
That answers our question. So soy lecithin is found in a lot of things like salad dressings that help hold it together. Things that are made with ingredients that, let's say, they don't get along, like oil and water. So the soy lecithin helps to hold it all together. All right, I think that is it for jump into the world of snacks. So thanks so much for stopping by, Marissa. And make sure you check out the rest of the videos in the series. I'll put links up there. And please subscribe.